chaos. We're still here. This can go over here. Okay. Attempting to organize chaos is pretty chaotic. Who knew? I'm just messing around. Of course I knew that. Okie dokie. How's everyone's weekend? For everyone who has hopped on already. Is anyone on? Yeah, no, maybe not. Oh, David. Listen, why would David, why would you say that? Why would you say that so early in the morning? And ruin it. Look. Okay, don't need that. Don't need that. Last thing I gotta do for the chaos. What am I doing for the chaos? I'm doing something for the chaos. Give me 2 seconds. There's always a song stuck in my head, and today's a weird one. Okay. Hey, Art, what up? There we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Everything's working. Good morning, everyone. Are we all ready for today? The chaos that is Monday. How was everyone's weekend, by the way? Maybe that's the more important question. How was everyone's weekend? Hey, Laura, how's gold been treating you, by the way? Anyways, David, why you gotta be mean? To be fair, it is because I'm trying to like do 20,000 things at once. So if you just see, I don't know, me going crazy, it's because I'm trying to sort things out. Like I said, how was everyone's weekend? Some guy, you look like you had so much fun. Oh, damn. You're gonna be the queen of risk management. I love it. Working on that this week. Okay, Laura, how do I put this? What's your plan to be better with your risk management? Shoot. Okay, we happy now, David? Yeah? You're not gonna yell at me anymore? We good? We good. No more yelling. I'm glad. I'm glad. How's it going, by the way? And Rip, good morning. Good morning. I did see your message, by the way. Whoa. Did you see I responded? Absolute insanity. Last weekend, thanks. Played in gaming tournaments Saturday night, and then all the last night. Still out in the wild right now. Okay, some guy, wait. Super cool that you're out in the wild right now, just by the way. But what gaming thing did you compete in, by the way? That sounds so cool. Taking fewer trades, stopping after certain amount. Ooh, nice, Laura, well done. Yes, I like it, I like it. What's your goal to stop after? My bad, David. Okay, damn. Hey, Sully, how are you? How's everyone doing? Are we ready for this day? I'm ready for this day after a super do-nothing weekend, which I know is needed. It's sometimes necessary to do absolutely nothing. So yes, I did. No, I binge-watched anime. To be fair, I'm actually rewatching the first ever anime I properly... Well, no, yeah. I'm rewatching the first ever anime I actually watched. And now I remember why it got me so hooked on anime. I love it. Tournament, just a little grassroots thing in the Halo community. Oh! Some guy, that's really, really cool. That is pretty awesome though. How did you do? How did the Halo competition go? For example, I put 200 in the account. I can't trade gold anymore after it goes below 100. The day after I double the account to 400, I take out 200. Ooh, okay, Laura, nice. I like that. I like that a lot. That sounds like a really, really good plan. Just gonna be watching this because I think it has to come back down to this 50% level. Moving on. Then you're trading with stock money instead. You're going, oh, okay, Laura, nice. Has anyone tried that? Some guy? I'm not sure. Some guy or has anyone tried trading with stock money instead of their own? Hey Robbie, what's up? What's up? How's it going? Okay. I dropped out of my friend's team, so that me to sell. Okay, that makes sense, some guy, because I remember you said that you were gonna do that. I missed the message. David was on the ball, so I didn't read what it said, which is maybe a good thing, right? Let's just not read what the creepy people say. Is this Bitcoin? Oh, ellipses. What anime is that? 7 Deadly Sins. So cool. So cool. Love it. Is this Bitcoin? Dixon, no, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Welcome though. Oh, you won! Some guy, that is so cool. Well done. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. You say buy. I mean, it looks like it's just been bearish the whole day, right? Are we just gonna continue going up? Oh, was Solly on it? You guys are on this today. Well, I trade gold today. Let's see. MNQ looks like it's moving. What does gold look like, actually? Maybe that's the next question. How is gold looking today? Wi-Fi, don't fail me now. Let's have a look. Oh, nope. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Okay. No, I don't think it's them. Sorry, that was... I thought the monkeys had arrived at the party to come say hi. And I was like, no, 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 not now. Not now, please. Gold just looks like it's going up, and away. This is super interesting. Let me double check MNQ again. Let's see, Laura. I might have a look at gold then today. Too many things marked out. Okay, that's taken. Kill. It's taken. I'm pretty sure this is... I'm gonna keep it up. I'm wanting to test something. I don't know if test is the right word, but I'm wanting to check out something. Here's Asia Low. Thank you. Sorry if I'm not responding. Give me a second. Then just some swings. I'm gonna have to go in. Never mind. I was gonna say something really dumb and I was like, don't do that. That's a really bad idea. Just shush. Just be quiet. Looking back to all the things I missed on Friday really, really hurts, but it is what it is. Okay, now that it's taken out Asia High, well, it's been taking out Asia High, hasn't even been, yeah. Now we just look like we're kind of consolidating a little bit. Okay. Let's check out the higher time frames. Can you see I'm focusing, guys? Which is really weird for me, so I apologize for being super duper quiet, but okay, NWOG's definitely taken out. However, it still looks like me. Okay, I'll just take it closer there. So there's still a gap I marked out ages ago though, but I'll keep it there. This one can go a little bit further. And all of these, there's so many. Oh my gosh, there's so many. There's so many. This is starting to look chaotic, but it's fine, right? It'll be fine. Everything will be just fine. Okay, pointers. We're on the 15-minute. Let's see what's gonna bring one. Has Boom arrived? Hey, Boom. What up, Boom? It's the first thing I saw. And like, I could see where that was going. Okay. And Ellipses, what did you think of it? Come on, it was good. It was good. Boom, nice. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Hey, Thomas. What up? How's it going? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, by the way. Apologies for being quiet and not responding. Give me a moment. Hey Dee, what up? How's it going? How's the morning? Boom, you know what? Not bad. Not bad. Can't complain. How's your middle of the night going, Boom? You're welcome, Thomas. What do you trade? Jordy, what up? How's it going? How was your weekend, Jordy? Did you have way too much fun or not enough fun? Which one was it? Wait, well, okay, it's fine. Let's see. No, Thomas, no, that's not good. You've got this. Oh, Trade Delicious. How's it been going? How's everything been going that side for you? It's been a minute. And Scalping. Yeah, the weekend was chilled. Maybe too chilled, but it was chilled. So that's a good thing, right? Like I said, binge watched some 7 Deadly Sins. It's amazing. I forgot how much I enjoyed it. Oh, you trade in the fear. Got it. Thomas, I was like, what? You mean when the market is in fear? It's not. Yeah, it's doing just fine. Market's fine. 60 minutes. I mean, yeah. Popping up. So then, Thomas, when are you going to start trading again? When do you think the markets are going to stop being in fear? Maybe that's the good question, huh? Hey, Super, what up? And David G, how are you doing? Sorry, I'm going to call you David G because there's 2 Davids. Oh, nice. Right, Ellipses? Come on, it's a goodie. It's a real goodie. Mackenzie, your bias is a big buy today, or is just buy today? I don't know why I saw big, but it's buy today. Yep. Greetings from Guatemala. Hey. Dragon Trader, it kind of looks like a bullish day for now, right? Trend is friend until it's not, and right now it's trending to the upside. Sorry, I'm double checking things though. This is why I'm jumping to higher time frames as we speak. Potentially just going to fill the rest of this gap and then go back down, or it's going to continue back up. We're going to have to wait and see with regards to that, but for now the bias is bullish. It could potentially want to come back down and grab Asia low later, but I mean, that could happen during New York session as well, so let's wait and see what happens. I still think it wants to come grab this 50%. level. Let me see if I had been focusing for 5 minutes. Nope, wouldn't have got me at all. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Oop, I missed the thingy. Wait. Aha. There we go. I got the live updating thingy of subscribe. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. English is not Englishing today for me. You guys are gonna have to give me a minute. The coffee has not kicked in yet. I will get there. I will get there. I promise. But let's see. Honestly, I don't know. I just save capital to load up whenever there's a crash, and otherwise I will just same fixed amount. But just be easy. Okay, nice, Thomas. So I'm assuming you're more of a swing trader / investor, right? Not so much a day trader. Just a fellow brother. What up? Hi. I'm talking to my dog. How's it going? Came to say hi. Would it be bear market bottom? A ton of fair value gaps there. Yep, exactly. So I'm waiting to see if it's gonna pop. I should actually probably mark them. Hey, that's maybe not the worst idea. Let me go and mark them on the higher time frames as well to give me an idea of where it might be rising up to. However, that being said, I gotta work on the confidence this week, guys. I gotta work on the confidence. Last week it was the discipline with only taking A+ setups, which I didn't get because I missed some of the A+ setups, but that was the confidence that was lacking. So it's again, take the A+ setups, but take them, right? Take them. I missed some winning trades because I didn't take the A+ setups. So that's this week's goal. Yeah, that's basically what I backtested, and I went, haha, great. You can see the emotions got involved on that A+ setup, which is why I didn't take it, and I missed out on some wins. So again, don't take silly trades, stick with the A+ setups, but when it is an A+ setup, regardless of if it's a win or a loss, take it. Yep, that's the goal for this week. So let's see how this goes. But just that you guys know what the goal is, that is it. It's just to try and increase the confidence of, yeah. Hey, Demonte, what up? Geordie? But it also zero fun besides plotting my vengeance on NQ for Friday. Yeah, Geordie. It was also raining down here the whole weekend. I eventually said screw it and went to walk in the rain on the beach with my dog. He was not impressed with me. Oh well. It was a good walk. There was no one else there, you know. The like one and only time the beach is super empty. Does Elf say hi? I will tell him that Elf says hi. I need to drop back into the range. All day, Jolly Dan. Hey Alpha, what's up? Find the gap to go down. Well, basically I'm using the 4-hour time frame. Weak bias too. Oh, nice, Mackenzie. Okay. But very big. Yeah. Dragon Trader, what's my view on gold? What's my view on gold? That's a very good question. I did try and trade gold for like 2 days. It is not, yeah, I wouldn't say it's not that easy. I mean, it's 2 days isn't really like I gave it not a, like a lot of a chance, right? But are you asking what I think it's gonna do now? That'll probably be a better question for Laura. Oh, who else is trading gold right now? I know Laura's trading gold. Silver Bullet Trader, good morning. How you doing? How's it going? How's your weekend? Dragon Trader, let me go have a look at gold. But from what I saw earlier, yeah, from what I saw earlier, it looked like it's headed to the buy side. But I didn't have a proper look. I didn't look at the higher time frames or anything. I just glanced at it, so it looked like it wanted to be buys. Oh, that makes sense, David. That makes sense. I get it. Rosie, which broker am I using? I'm currently using Top One Trader. However, I have been potentially looking at funding ticks. They seem really, really good. I've been doing a bit of research on them. So that's potentially where I want to change, but I'm in the green with Top One right now, and I don't want to now go and start a new challenge again. But, you know, it is what it is. Okay. Let's see, now that we're just climbing away, wanted to check out the 1 hour again. More specific, this gap here on the 1 hour. Let's see the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour is slightly lower down. Let me do this. Okay. Done, done. Done. And naturally, this one down here. Awesome. Back to the 1 minute. Let's go. Okay, how far away? Okay. It's pretty far away. On the 1 minute. I'm good, thanks. Just calling wet weather here in Joburg the whole weekend. I've heard it's going to continue the whole week. I don't know if that's correct. What's Joburg weather looking like for this weekend coming? I know we're on Monday only, but still. What's it looking like? Am I gonna get, like, drenched? Gold is the same as Nasdaq, just need to be careful with the news this week. Damn, when's the news? I haven't even checked that. Ah, shoot, wait. I've just realized that this is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Why is it not doing what it's supposed to be doing? What? Give me a second. Why is chat not showing up? You guys can't see the chat, can you? Thanks. It shows rain for next weekend. Okay. Oh well. It's fine. Not really like you can do anything super cool. Well, I say that. You can do lots of things super cool. At least in Joburg, you have options to do things inside. Oh, thanks, Thomas. I appreciate that. Super put 5k on this trade. On the what? Super? What? You say to risk 5k to use a 5k position size. Yep. Aw. Bandura, hi, how you doing? Love from Russia. Well, hello from South Africa. How are you? The chat can't see us. Isn't showing on. Okay. I don't know why. Why is it not doing what it's supposed to be doing? It's up and it's running, but it's not showing. Okay, give me 2 seconds. They said news is going to be dangerous. I just saw it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. Let me see if there's a possible entry here, which I don't. Me. Not really. Well, at least not something I'm liking. I guess I do have 1, 2, 3. How big is this? 15? What have I got? When in doubt, zoom out. Nothing. Wait. There's some fair value gaps I've not taken across. I can see that already. Oop, nope. Control Z. Go. I can put 5. Two. And that wick up. But it has been respecting nicely. Anyways. How was your week trading wise? Silver bullet last week. Last week was really good. I had, to be fair, I only took 3 trades last week. But they were all wins. So I was up $1,000, let's say $1,200 last week, which is not bad. Are we selling off or going to 600? Demonte, that's what I'm wondering. Is this just a little bit of a fake out, or are we actually gonna start going down now? Hi. Maybe I should have placed it and walked away. What did I just say about confidence? What did I just say about confidence? But let's see. Remember the many you come out of the review. Fry from. Have I heard about turtle trading? I have. And what, turtle soup and all those things, because it boggles my brain that there's something called that out there. Turtle soup. Anyways. So I have heard of it, by the way. Bounce on Thursday. But Friday's close. Ooh. Hey Austin, by the way, how you doing? It is pushed higher, yep. Good morning, can I have some of that turtle soup? Hey, High Life, how's it going? Shoot. What was I saying about confidence? Let's see if it does continue further down. Again, yeah. Oh, I was trying to fix things. Can you tell the brain is going in 50,000 directions today? Which is not great. No, she then heard the group on the night. Be careful. This premium condition already. Huge big value gap is traded into. Savio? Yep. What's the analysis for XAU USD? Sorry, I haven't even looked at that, so I cannot give you an analysis on that. Sorry about that. Melonhead, how's it gambling? I would wait for the range to be broken, hence the turtle thing. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. So is it kind of like the 5 or 15 minute orb type strategy, Geordie, or was it a little bit different? After created the phrase turtle soup, stating their logic and making money. Oh damn. Mansplaining is hard. Geordie. Oh, did I have any problem with Project Excel video on YouTube? That project will giving problems and trying to do stop loss. Oh damn, thank heavens not, Silver Bullet Trader. Thank heavens, no. Yeah, thank heavens I had no issues. I guess it maybe depends on the day. There was a weird day. I know it messed up Boom's trade. He was not impressed. I remember that day was insane. Oh man. I liked it. I didn't take it. Confidence is key, people. Damn. I really gotta work on that. Really gotta work on that. Turtle tastes great. David, no. Just no. Did anyone else have any problems with Project X? Or not really? How are you feeling about Project X getting removed from platforms? Pretty true trader, I saw an email about that. Is that like proper? Is that really happening? I don't know why I'm doubting it, but is that really happening? Oop. I wanted to be trying to fix something. That's what I wanted to fix. Let me try to do this. Why are we not showing? Why are things not working? Like, I don't understand. Maybe I must exit and try again. And ICT basically took that not to train logic and adapt it to small time frame long. And thus the dawn of us. The retail defense hunting stops. Yeah, kind of sucks, not gonna lie. That what? It was a awesome position, Fry. It was an awesome position. And I didn't take it. Like I said, Fry, I need to work on my confidence quite a bit. Ellipses, for that reason, I need to work on my confidence quite a bit. Because it would have been a goodie. Look at it go. Would have at least been a break even now. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. It's fine. Can't lie. I'm low-key disappointed. You know that. Yeah. Rip, what's up? Because this would have been perfect. Three taps. Check. This would have been my entry. Oh well. No, not oh well. Bad. Let me make a note. Let me make a note. There we go. Now I'm yelling at myself. We got this. We've got this. It's fine. Okay, so this would have been break even, so regardless of what happens now, would have just carried on. Foreigner owns you. What? Conversion tagged. Ooh. Okay, Geordie. What's your risk ratio? Mackenzie, it's 1 to 2R. So 1 risk, 2 reward. No emotions, just accept each step. I know, JJ. That's exactly. That is exactly. As being dodgy, but use what can we do? Top step trying to be the best. And use Project X because of the lockout. Just don't trade. I guess confidence is a double-edged sword anyways, but still think it's better to have it than not to have it. Confident life is one with few regrets. Ooh, ellipses? I like that. I like that a lot. Yo, Shawnee. Good morning. How's it going? Not sure. Apparently some prop firms are not happy with Project X glitch and it gives them a bad reputation. Top step needs to fix what they've... Oh. Okay, so this sounds like it's going to be super, super interesting. Super interesting. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this, people. Okay, we've got this now. I have officially woken up, I think. I'm gonna keep the multi-chat like this. I don't know why it's not working. I apologize about that. I don't know why the multi-chat has just decided that it's giving up on live, so I apologize. Foreigner owns you? Oh, okay, but isn't real. It's not real. Then what are we doing? I feel like everything's real. It's just if it works for you or not, right? Hey, Emily, what's up? How's it going? Oh, did you get a boyfriend yesterday, or you just say you were? Don't worry, I don't stream on weekends, Emily. But how? I'm assuming you had a good weekend. I would turn to sleep. Just try getting bookmark. I've seen it already. Anyone crazy enough to get bullish on gold? What is gold doing, Jordy? Is gold still going up? One. David, that's exactly what I'm saying. Give it a try. I don't know what Jordy will think of that, but you can. Something coming lately. Oh, you guys are a problem. Oh, that's frustrating because that would have been awesome. Oh well. Moving on, right? It did now take this 50% level, which is what I wanted to see. So that's done. That I'm gonna move there. Now. Mother fluff. Okay. How big is this even? It's itty bitty. Okay. That's the range there. And it still hasn't taken anything. I haven't moved my things across yet. Point is, I can place this now. 1, 2. I'm not going to say this is the best setup. Yeah, definitely not the best setup, but I want to check something. I want to check something. Checking. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Wi-Fi. Let's do this. All of these across here. Oh, here's the little itty bitty one that I marked ages ago. Nope, I lied. That's just the shelf I marked ages ago. Okay, so it hasn't tapped into there. Did not take there. May have taken here. Okay. At least I'm zooming out more. I never used to do that. I was really, really, really bad at doing that. You guys know that for a fact. You guys have witnessed that. Anyways. Hey, RP, what's up? It's doing a place you bet. Got it. I haven't got an income trade since you joined, but I just entered at MGC. Sure. Oh. Okay, Art. Early in the week, huh? Yep. Keeping an eye on the chat right now, but David and Jordy creeping on each other. You know what? Some guy, I'll take that. That's fine. They can have their moments. Provide free trading signals. That's all. Well, don't know if you want to do that from me, but sure. Oh, Jordy. Guys. You guys are terrible. You guys are terrible. Anyways. Hey Joseph, how's it going? Welcome to the absolute chaos. Apparently, that is this chat today. I'm from South Africa. Where are you from, Joseph? How's it been going? I'm back. It wasn't working with having both the things up, just by the way, but it's fine. Joseph, where are you from? Hey, opulent family, how's it going? Hey, Lichen, how are you? How are you? Are you doing amazing? Slow and steady wins the race, right? Okay. It's not the best entry out there. Okay, I'm second guessing everything today, but it's fine. Is America? Oh, you're from America. That's so cool. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, sure. You can say they are normal. Yeah, they are definitely normal. Okay, I'm not looking. It kind of is. But no, you're right. They're a little bit crazier than normal, and that's okay, as long as they're having fun, right? Joseph, how am I doing? Some guy chapped his feral this morning. Yep. I mean, again, as long as they... Oh, no. Sell side is pushing properly. Sugar honey iced tea. Are we in this? I think this is gonna straight away take me out, but Not even gonna bother placing TP yet. Gold is giving a second opportunity entry for longs too. Ooh, nice, Mackenzie. Hello from London, UK. Hello, hello from South Africa. How's it going? Friend is friend until it's not, right? I'm sticking with that. Let's go around here. Then I can move my stop a little bit higher. Hey, Rick Knights, what up? How's it going? What are we trading? You're up a little over 2K. Oh, Anthony, whoop whoop, that is amazing. Well done. Yo, the sellers are fighting hard right now. Let's see. 1 to 10, how joy are you? Not happy, but joy. What does that mean, Joseph? What is... What's the difference between happiness and joy? Maybe that's a bit of a dark question, but yeah, what's the difference between them? Okay, the sellers look like they're going to start taking control, but let's see what happens. Oh, Joseph, sorry. Yeah, I'm from South Africa. Nice work, Anthony. She's trading the mini MQ. Well, actually, the micros, some guy. Trading the micro MQ. So the itty bitty ones. Oh no. Okay, let's see. But Jordy's open to foot picks apparently. There we go. Yeah, some guy. See, so Jordy's here for... No, I'm gonna not say anything. Some guy, you can keep saying that. If I say that, there's gonna be a bunch of weirdness that I don't know if we want to invite into this today. So I'm gonna actually just be quiet. I'm not even gonna mention the thing attached to the legs. It might get some people overly excited, which we do not need. Lichen, Metalhead, how you been, by the way? I mean, there's definitely a fight going on between buyers and sellers right now, but it looks like the sellers are taking control. Unfortunately for me. Yep, there we go. Yeah, full banana. Oh, that's okay, some guy, don't worry. Joseph, cool beans, bro. Are you talking to me? Well, the plan was to continue with trend going up, but like I said, it looks like the sellers are taking some control back, so now I sit and wait to see if the buyers take back control or if this is now going to go down. I can try. Do not send me feed pics. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys are crazy. Anyways, Metalhead, you know what? I can't complain. Can you change your stop loss? I can go a bit lower. Rude. The King Toxic Penguin, can I change my stop loss so I can go a little bit lower? I mean, I could, probably. Mackenzie, I hope not, but it might be a track. Mackenzie, I'm inclined to agree because here is very much where all the supply is, but that's fine. Let's see. It's where my previous entry was, right here, that I missed, and I thought, oh, it's tapped in here like 3 times, maybe we're good. But clearly I was wrong, and that's fine. Guess who's overlap? No, Rip, it's teeny tiny. Literally teeny tiny. It's probably actually less than I should have placed, in all honesty. Grateful to be alive, Tam Metalhead. Yep, that's good though. Mike G, how are you? I'm good, I'm good. Jonas? Jonas? How old am I? How old do I look? Maybe that's the question. Dun dun dun. And mitigate risk by half. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna be quiet. 27 or 31. Ooh, Metalhead. Nearly on the money there. Nearly on the money being the keyword. Turning 27. Beginning of December. Yeah. Okay, well, I've mitigated risk by half now. So if it comes to get me out, I have decreased my loss. You were actually gonna say 24? Really? Oh, thank you. I'll take that as a compliment that I look young. I appreciate that. No. Swings lately are crazy. Demonte, right? It's why I haven't actually even left a runner, because I think it's just swinging too much. There's no point. Oh, Metalhead. Oh, thanks. 4. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Demonte. That's what I wanted to read so early in the morning. Really? To know that I was a Valentine's baby, but I guess math is math. You can't deny math. Damn it. Oh, okay. You're a king from Indonesia. Well, welcome, Your Highness. How's it going? The toxic penguin, what? Are you asking me my TP is? My TP is at 364. One is a bot. 340 runs a strip. What? What is happening? Okay, you know what? David and Boom are having their own fun. David, you are having way too much fun. Can I just say, you are having all the world of fun right now, which is a good thing, but oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to go up and actually read the context of these conversations because it sounds bad. Okay, I'm gonna go break even now. We're at around the 70% level. Okay. This is a break-even trade. Well, maybe it will. Either way. Either way, it's not a loss, so that's good. I was definitely triple guessing this, but it's good. It's good. I've missed some things. Not sure what I mean. Stop looking young. Stop looking young. I'll try. I'll go stand in the sun a little bit more. Okay. I'll go get some more wrinkles. Will that make you happy, Joseph? If I look older? Try to stop, take 80% TP and trail. Exercise for you. Rip, normally I do leave a runner, but with how it's acting today, I don't know if it's worth it. Do we really think it's worth having a runner today with how much it's ranging? If that makes sense? I can leave a runner, no problem, if it goes that high. But, I don't even know if it's worth it. Just be more stressed out. I mean, it's so easily done. So easily done. Damn, Joseph over here wants to see me age like 20 years. I'd say if it breaks that next line, it's gonna take off and go way up. Interesting. You put a bunch of crazies in one place and went to be free. I guess that's valid. No ways. Please don't take me out at break even. That'll be so rude. Okay, well, let's see if it takes me out. If not, I will change this to at least have one runner, right? Okay, maybe I'll change it to have one, but it looks like it might take me out. Payments. There we go. I will leave one runner and let's see what happens. Stay in trading for 1 year, you'll age 5 years. It's time travel, chum. Highlight. Valid. Can't really see the stream quality. Signals bad. Oh, the king toxic ping. No, don't worry. It's not you. It is actually my side. I apologize for that. It is my stream. It's terrible. My bad. I do apologize. Feel free to ask any questions. I will try my best. Okay. Ooh. A little bit better with the confidence with this one, right? Yes? I was a little bit nervous there. It looked like the sellers were definitely gonna win, but we'll go with it. We'll go with it. I feel like I've missed some questions, my bad. Okay, the session looks like it's gonna sell unless they just want to hit the 4-hour order block. I'm thinking they want to hit the 4. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna leave one. There's no harm in leaving one, and then I just trail it, right? Even if it comes back to get me. You trail it, it's fine. Mikey, can you tell me what are the parallel lines? These ones? Are you asking about these parallel lines? Which, sorry, there's a lot of chaos. Are you asking about my GAN box, Mike G? Is that what's up? Okay. Should I go a little bit higher? No, leave it alone. Hands off. Hands off. I have to remind myself, hands off. For this reason. The big gaps down below. We'll see what happens in a few hours. A few hours? Damn, Demonte. Oh no. Okay. I mean, either way, I took the trade. We're in it now. Let's see what happens, right? I know. Oh, ride or die, thank you. Hey, Aaron! Hi! No, I'm joking. Hey, Aaron, how's it going? Okay, I don't like that. Reject Mackenzie. I was thinking the same thing. There's clearly a resistance zone above. But it does potentially mean then if it does break above, it could continue. Let's see. I've noticed by then this makes a strong trend. Ooh. Mike G, the red line. This red line? This is where my stop loss was. But I've moved it now to break even, so yeah, we're good either way. David, I've been known to dabble for the occasional. Oh, wow, I'm learning all of your secrets. I haven't even said anything, but I'm learning all your secrets over here, some guy. I love it. Zero the car lover. What up? What am I trading? Nas, yeah. Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. I get that a lot, how it's pronounced. Sorry. Don't worry. You know, you gotta have some fun, right? I mean, don't they, David? I feel like they do. A little bit. Do they, though? I don't know. Leave it, stop. Don't leave it, trail. Leave it. Leave it. Don't leave it. Leave it. Don't leave it. Okay. Let's see. Wow, this is a fun little choppy market we're in right now, right? This is good fun. This is good fun. Too many rejections, yep. What's the green line above the red line? That was my entry level. Mackenzie, are you in a trade at the moment? No, just hands off, leave it alone. Just leave it alone. I wanted to move it again. Oh, it's gonna take me out, isn't it? Yep. Damn it. It was so close as well. Head now. Little. LP. No! Okay, well. Oh well. That's fine. Out at break even. Up $22, I guess. But break even trade. Cool. Could be worse. Gotta stick to the rules. Okay, break even. Cool. Not bad. Not starting bad. Mackenzie, you are definitely correct. Way too much rejection going on around there. I can now delete this one. Okay, break even. But I guess we can take the positives of at least, damn, here we go. Of at least I took the trade. I don't even have caffeine anymore. Some guy, you don't even have caffeine anymore. How do you function? How do you cope as a human being? In gold for longs? Ooh, nice, Mackenzie. Okay. Still made. Thank you. RP, no. Well, no, I got taken out at break even, so. I mean, I'm kind of in the green. Kind of. $22. Better than nothing. Better than in the red. I still think it wants to come and hit this level here. Here we go. This might be it coming to hit that level. Shush. Give me 2 seconds. I think the monkeys are here. My dog's going crazy. 2 seconds. We're fine, they're fine. Whoa. Whoa. Interesting. And that's why I kept it up. Okay, let's see what happens. RP, how many contracts do I trade with? It depends on... Well, I guess it depends on the point size. I try to do 200 risk. So depending on how big it is, will obviously determine how many contracts I trade with. Ah, David, you sound like me then. Definitely no caffeine is a struggle, but after a couple of weeks your body gets used to it. I need a boost, very rare. I'll have a coffee and it buzzes me hard. Whoa! Interesting. I think the last time I drank coffee was like July or something. Some guy. I have mad respect for that. Nicely done. That's difficult as hell. Wait, what happened here? Oh. New hour. Gotta take note of the time sometimes, hey? Damn. I mean, thank heavens I was break even. Can you, that would have crushed my soul a little bit, but damn. Nasdaq changes all day if it goes below the recent low here. Joe boy? Bye bye. No, wait. Yeah, Joe boy, that's how it always works, right? Am I trading gold? No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Hey, Metalhead, welcome back. Where'd you go? You've gone for like 2 minutes. After sleep, I can't take it. Man. I think this drop yet. Trying to shorten, I just want. Oh no, Knight! I'm so sorry. What the heck, man? That's not okay. That's not okay. No. Close, but not yet. Okay. Knight, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. That's rubbish. Any buyers who want to screw some sellers? Rip. This is how market manipulates. Yep, 100%. Metalhead, absolutely. The only way I have my coffee now. And I used to definitely always have like milk and I'm like, no. I don't know, coffee with milk just tastes weird to me now. I used to work in hospitality doing 60+ hours a week, all weird times a day. No, some guy, no wonder. Yeah, you kind of have to be a functioning member of society at that point, right? That's just too many hours. That's not right. Okay, wait, let's wait for confirmation. Where are we going? I used to work, yeah. Until I cut it out, it's been about a year since I made the change now. New pain in the butt. Give me a second. Yeah, I'll read that later. I don't trust that cell even a bit. Yeah, Riplet, yeah. Nope. Let's just wait and see now for confirmation. But if we're looking on the bright side of things, I took the trade and got stopped out of break even for a tiny bit of profit, which is not the end of the world, right? Hey, Impo, how's it going? All the time, I guess the same with any drug though. Entered a short at 343. No, Knight, okay. Yeah, so entered at 343, got stopped out at the top, and then it goes straight down. I'm so sorry, Knight. That sucks. I am so sorry. I have some milk and sugar with my coffee because I'm all out of cream. I'm sorry, what did I just read there? Wait, what? I'm sorry, what did I just read, Art? You have some milk and sugar-free Pepsi with your coffee. I'm gonna need a minute to process what you just said. So there we go. Can someone please just like the stream so that some guy feels a little bit better? There we go. Are we good? Is it better? Mamas, how's it going? How's everyone doing? Is it getting better? Flip. Okay, market. The rip has given you permission to continue upwards now, so I suggest you listen, right? Yep, yeah. Knight, where was your TP going to be if it had done what you wanted it to do? It's called a dead cat bounce. What? RP? What? Oh, I flipping hope so, guys. I hope so. Yeah, no, some guy. Cool. I'm glad it wasn't just me. I was like, no, 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 no. Just no. Is everyone ready for the rest of this? TP to 800 areas a runner and take profits a long way. Seriously, whoa. Damn, Knight, okay. So Knight, you think this is still gonna go down? Hey! Trading D, what up? Move up to 500 minutes to see order flow. Okay, Mackenzie, let's have a quick looky-see. But, okay, let me just hide everything for a minute. $5 million. I can't believe that candle. That was insanity. But anyways. This level here is interesting. To me. To me. Okay. Didn't really have much there, so that's fine. Cool. Back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Don't fall for it. You think it's going to consolidate? Nice, fine. Don't fall for it. Monte, you think it's still going to go back up? Okay. Trade with JT. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing, by the way? Can't see the full chart by yes. Trade with JT. Are you on the vertical stream? So there's two. If you hop off of the vertical, go to the horizontal, you'll be able to see a little better. I don't think the runner is running because of the reverse from bottom. Tapped into. Interesting. 5 minutes. Mackenzie. Some guy. Slow climbing deserves another quick drop. Let's see. In max 10 minutes, I want the high. Ah, well, let's see, David. This looks, that was insane, but out of curiosity with regards to this one, though. I wouldn't call this an A+ setup. Let's see if it would have been a win, but I'm not trusting it. Right, like you guys said, this was too... that was a little bit too quick. Yes, an extra setting for vertical and horizontal. trade with TJ? Yeah. Oh no, one OBS. You can use the same OBS. Thanks, David. Yep. But have some milk and Pepsi. RP, I don't know if you are joking. Are you joking? I feel like I need photographic evidence that you put Pepsi into your coffee. I need evidence. And I need evidence of you drinking that because I can't believe that that's a thing. You're drinking Pepsi with your... Okay. Wow, that's more rage bait than I actually needed today. Wow, Pepsi in your coffee. That doesn't sound quite right. When you're trading gold, it's fine. Well, is it... Wow. How do you stream horizontal and vertical? Yep. Trade with TJ? Oh, how? So one OBS setting and... I don't know how to explain it. You can have both set up and you can stream both. And Tiwi, what up? How is it? Why not? Night, it's purely because of the fact that I'm not trusting this right now. And this felt very intentional to potentially be a fake out. I think, in all honesty, that's the main reason. So maybe I am just being blonde. Maybe it's actually a perfect entry. Just not trusting it, Night. In all honesty, this felt just way too quick. And maybe that's then I need to get over that. But for me, it just felt not so great. I mean, it wouldn't have been bad. And now it's messing around a little bit as well. So wait, Night, have you re-entered into a short now? Does not sound young. No, I like Art. I need proof. Art, I really need proof. 15. We'll switch to horizontal. Okay, cheers. Trade with TJ. Enjoy. Like in the coffee or like a chaser next to the coffee? Good question. Art, is it in the coffee or is it just next to? So you're having like some Pepsi and then some coffee. Good question. But to me, even that doesn't sound great. Doesn't sound ideal. It's like 7 a.m. New York time will decide a sell or buy day. Apparently. But are we sure this wasn't just... Let's see. Rip thinks it's gonna go up. Night thinks it's gonna go down. I am neutral right now. I'm just neutral right now. Trade with TJ, I just got mad skills. And then after it goes up maybe for a bit. And just it goes below, just mid, but doesn't break. Ooh, Demonte, there we go. So we got... Shall we do a thing? Aw, man! Looks like maybe Night was correct. Let's see. Try another count later, New York session. Okay, Night, so you're done. Hit the daily loss in the section. Okay, got it. Mates or head spiritual in what way? Hey, JT, what's up? Harin, sure, what's up? Pepsi in the coffee. And milk in the coffee. Okay, there we go. Some guy. So RP says Pepsi is in the coffee and milk is in the coffee. I cannot tell for the life of me if you're messing with us or not. Slow and gold moves since the past week they moved together. It's still meant that you're allowed outside. said option. Well, there we go, some guy. RP? No. Why is this so weird? Pepsi in milk is good. Just add coffee. Okay, like... Art... Part of me wants to try it now. Purely out of curiosity. Purely out of curiosity, because I cannot fathom that that's something good. What? Stop and break of low. Double acid. Monte, you say this is a good place to buy. Some of you drink more. That's Hey, sign? Sorry if I've butchered that. My age. I mean, I'm 27 and I've been trading since April, so I'm still fairly new at trading. Which is where the confidence has to build up, right? Like I said, at least I took this one. It was good. I missed the other one, which was bad. But I at least did take one. Let's see if this would have been a hit. Or if it is just going to consolidate now. Let's see. Does human instincts play a role in trading? Aaron, yes, definitely. I think so. Yeah, no. Does human instinct have a role? I would like to say yes, to some level. For breakthrough thinking advice. Do you drink coffee with Pepsi and milk? No. Yeah, RP, we have mad love for you, but I'm gonna have to just try it now. In all honesty, I'm gonna have to give it a try. What if it's amazing? What if RP is actually a genius? There are people with this bit. Some guy that made me laugh a little bit too hard, but that's okay. Montella Resurrection is also shift potential. Let's see though. I'll still move higher first instead, and then potentially continuation low. Rick Knight, what am I trading here? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I mean, I'm not doing much right now, because I'm waiting to see what it wants to do. We have a little bit of divided opinion. Yeah, there's a little bit of a divided opinion right now with regards to what's gonna happen. Here we go. And you know what? And do you know why I'm so conflicted? Knight has been on point, but so has Rip. So, when the two guys that have been very on point with things have conflicting views, I feel conflicted. Montero. Pepsi and milk, that's scary. Is that scary? I am literally him. Hi. Do you mean in general or just today? Today I had a bit of a break even, but I'm up $22.60. So I mean that's something, I guess. Do I like raccoons? George? Yes. Try zooming out on a 2-day perspective. TJ? Damn. Tap into there, give a bit of a wicked out candle from there. I'll enter short. Okay. Do I like raccoons? George, I would love raccoons. We just don't have raccoons down here in South Africa. But they look adorable. Pepsi, have no taste, and just got... okay. Hey Boom, what's up? Welcome back. How's it going? Thought the Audi and Audi are still bullish. Yes, they are, Knight. These people have... RP, we're not... it's just because We love you. And you know what, Art? I don't know if I'm gonna regret this, but I'll try it. I will give it a try. Because I believe in you. And I believe you got this. Has anyone tried milk with a pinch of turmeric powder? I love this channel so much. We always end up talking about the most random things. And I'm all for it. By the way, this is the first time I've ever put Pepsi in my coffee. Like I said, I ran out of creamer, but I had milk left. Okay, Art, how does it taste though? Is it good? Are you hating it or do you like it? Kyle, do I think the Bitcoin crash will continue? Kyle, sorry, so I don't actually trade Bitcoin, but based off of what some guys told me, potentially yes. We have now entered the bearish market. Hey, Lucas. Hello, how's it going in Brazil? Please, is that gold, holistic? No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures, not gold. I just sometimes think the people who study finance look depressed. Damn. You dumb me here, I'm not looking for. That's a good way of looking at it. What I'm looking for is damage. I want the. Okay, rip. At this point, Saul moved and go in with the body above it. Okay. Great A plus short here. For me personally, I would take the short with the risk that it comes. No, that makes sense. Just gotta get the ratio correct. Okay, so you're not hating it, is what I hear. Knight, it looks like you have, yeah. So it looks like it would have been a good entry. Well, let's see. My stop would at least have been mitigated by half by now. Hey, Green Thumb, what's up? How is it? Yes, it's good. Interesting. Kayuni, are you also South African? Welcome. I'm gutted you missed the gold move. Would have loved to see profit. Ah, well, what happened? Did it just go up and up and up and up and up? Yep. My time frame, we didn't achieve an important goal. Yep. Shaib, how can I help? What's up? I say, what do you want? That sounded so rude. What's up? My plan is coming. Boom, no. Oh no. Yeah. Monte, you can't say that in front of Boom. Boom loves his cat. Dog versus cat. I just love all animals, so it's still in a gray area. Yeah, Knight, 100%. So, you know, it's valid for me to be waiting, which is a good thing, but on the plus side, at least I did take a trade today. I missed a winning trade though, but I took a trade. Was this the move? Was this it? Knight, I am like annoyed for you at the fact that it ticked you out before it melted down. I am really, really annoyed for you, I'm not gonna lie. Time is not respected as I wanted. Okay. I need full power, full power. Boom, boom, no. Oh gosh. I'm break even on gold long now. It's stalling though. Okay, let me go check out the gold quick sticks. Let's see what Geordie's looking at, because I can't get into this until we have a little bit more confirmation, so we might as well see what gold's doing, okay? Let us see. Oh damn. Okay. Sorry. I just realized that I've been very quiet for the past little bit there. I'm just genuinely looking at something and I'm quite curious about it. Anyways. So, Geordie, you in on a long, right? Where's your TP at, Geordie? Trade with TJ, do I check risk reward per trade? I always trade 1 to 2R. TJ? Since I said 10 minutes max, I want the high price, just freeze, doing nothing at the moment, so I would have loved to see some speed to the upside. Yep, okay, Rip, that makes sense though. Thanks, she's in trading for 4 months. Okay. You guys did not hear my tummy, thank heavens. Thank heavens. Laura, you're in a cell. Oh, damn, okay. Okay, wait. So, Geordie? You're in a buy, and Laura's in a cell right now, so this is gonna be interesting. I mean, theoretically, the better range for this would be this, but that seems a little excessive. So let's say we put it there. Okay, let's go check out MNQ. What are we missing out on MNQ? Still nothing. Cool. So we're ranging now. I can't do anything while it does this. Oh, okay. I've missed a bunch of messages. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Guess room. Point the snail. New candle opens. Recent high I can show you in a long short. Well, we increase to 3 to 4. TJ? Well, I mean, if you want TJ, you could more than welcome to hop in on the Discord. Okay. Dinner. You have a small risk. That's not bad then. Laura and I are basically stuck between two PD arrays. We both get slapped out here. Oh no! So it's essentially ranging on both. That's cool. Would have been here. Hey. Okay. I probably would have moved to break even. Yep, okay. Potentially a winning trade. How, well, let's not talk too soon, right? Let's not get excited for no reason. Well, not even in it, but still. Not speak too soon, but it looks like we potentially have some confirmation to the downside for now. Take the stuff over. Gold. Yeah, Discord. JT. David, but I feel like there's the other way around, and theirs don't move. I mean, they move a little bit, obviously, but not that much. Okay, damn, boom. Let me look this up. There goes the gold rush. Why, what happened? I feel like something happened. Celestial, good morning. How's it going? How's the trading day been going for you? Okay, so that would have been a win. Wanting to take notes of these things. I want to see if it respects this now. Knight, nice call, by the way. Very, very nice call. But Knight, now you can't do anything until this afternoon, hey? Or are you paper trading? Hey, Ray. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. How you doing? How's it going? Hope you're having an amazing time. Okay, let's check the higher time frames for a minute. Holy cow, what the heck? Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right then. Wow. This is insane. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Am I German? TJ? No, I am South African. Gold has issues. Laura, what did it do? Celestial, whoop whoop. Nice. JT. What was I saying? What was I saying, TJ? Sorry. Take note of the thing. 1. Lower time frame structure. Shift 2 for heading up left behind is moving higher. Target to aim for. Yep. You've been holding the sell. Nice. Boom. Okay. Can't deny a bit of a shift now, can we? The 800 level. So, Knight. Sorry, I don't know if you went and popped it on Discord. Why the 800 level, by the way? A little tad bit close for my liking, but once we see it drop down all the way to the 9, there we go. Him and Ledon have been gold buyers and NQ shorts. We're looking and loading up. We want to brush in. Oh, nice, Ricky. Also, hi, Ricky. How's it going? Oh, cool, Laura. Well, I'm in KZN at the moment. Oh, no, Arch, I'm so sorry. Oh, nice. Boom. Okay. Yeah, bike 901 carry. Yeah, Knight, I think that's the most frustrating part. Having the correct analysis, but just it not getting you. Boom, has it taken you out? Where's your stop loss? It's taken out, but it's such a... Wanted to take note of that area. I want to see if it listens or respects it, rather. Go 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's placed. It's placed. Oh, thanks, Celestial. Enjoy. Boom! I've already taken trades. Just by the way. Rude. I took a trade earlier. It was a break even. And boom, taken a trade. Anyways. Laura, no, sorry. KwaZulu-Natal. Sorry, I keep forgetting if people aren't from South Africa and you say KZN, it sounds weird. Bob, what's up? I see the same setup in the 5 minute and Awesome, can win. All the people who... Boom, you like 3k in profit? Aren't you just a cool kid? Look at you go. Friday had to be reversed from delayed today and this week. Sell cash, good. It's monthly. But I appreciate this now. Aw, thanks, Ray. Ah, you know what, Laura? It is beautiful here. The only thing is, damn, the weather is moody. It is so moody, but it's stunning. It is absolutely stunning here. Cannot complain. Exactly. Boom. So I had a trade. So what's the problem? Mackenzie, is this a buy? No, this is a sell. Maybe we'll get the VWAP test. Huh, here's a good question. Where's... Oh, there it is. I was like, here's a good question. Where is it? It's down there. Oh, it's climbing back up, but... A minute. The short is no longer high probability because now we have a higher place to retrace to. This would be the bounce area 2. Knight, let's see, Knight. For me, this was a better setup than the previous one. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, and then I'm a little bit red for the day. It is what it is. Which broker do I use? Godzilla. So I'm using top 1 futures right now. But if you are South African, literally all of the brokers in my description below except South Africa, which is awesome. And if you want discounts, you can use my code, which is TeachMaya. Let's see. I'll put this here for now. What? Boom, Banana, what's going on? I feel like you guys are having arguments today, and that's fine. Also, it's not like scared in the corner. Mackenzie, what's up? Got like 25 cons in. Boom. 25. Are you insane? Let's see. What I will do, Boom, is I'll leave a runner for you. How does that sound? That make you happy? Into on Discord. Your sub placement, it would have been 500 up there. Nice trade sell. Oh, nice! Nice, Merc. That's awesome. Well done. Let's see. What plant should you watch out for? An ambush. Hey, Skeletor. That took me a minute. I was like, what? And then I realized it was you. And I was like, nope, never mind. It makes sense. Makes sense again. You keep dropping, but be careful trading this London session right after Sunday open. If sense, why? Out of curiosity? Or if you keep doing this pissy thing, you can... Boom! Why? Wow, what's up, Boom? Boom's being extra off today. Are you good, Boom? What happened? Control trade using market structure on 30-second chart. Damn. Like LP trading is 5-second chart. It's insane. And to witness it is also insane. Oh, here's some volatility. What time is it? 7:45. Ah, 15-minute candle. Okay. Let me set this up because this then distracts me, I guess you could say. I don't know if distract is the correct word, but yeah, basically. Do that there. Make that 1, 2, 1. Up a little bit more. There. When it gets there, I can move my stop. Celestial, what's up? Order flow, yeah. Looks like it might work short term, but careful of the 15-minute order block. Yeah, Mackenzie, let's see for the short term. I'm kind of hoping, like Demonte said, maybe a VWAP test. Maybe, maybe not. We'll find out. I'm going, don't mind me. Actually, very calming and very clear about market. It paints the internal picture of bigger candles. Night. I feel like I missed something. Oh, the 30-second. Sorry. Back to that. Yeah, you're talking about the 30-second shot. Oh, I can't believe you said it's calming. Have you ever tried the 5-second that night? Ricky, are you in a trade right now, by the way? Hola, what up? How are you doing? This trade is going to work out good. I can see just your stop needs to be above a few ticks. I see. Let's see. It's hands off for now until it gets to the 1-to-1 level. Then I'll move it. Then I move my stop loss to midpoint, mitigate it by half. Except that I have a sell limit set at 300. 300. Oh damn. Okay. Monte, have you not learned? Just don't say what it is that you have. I've come to that realization. It's best to sometimes just shh. Go to the second shot. Nah. Candyman? No. Close my buy once, hit my 200 to get my min trading days. We'll pay out 2 days later. Oh, nice, Ricky. Okay. Celestial, no, this is not 1-to-1. This is a 1-to-2R. At 1-to-1, I mitigate my risk by half. So I have it set up for 1-to-1, but it's actually a 1-to-2R. Check. There we go. Yeah. It's actually 1-to-2R. And let's see if it's gonna take or not. If not, it is what it is. Yeah, I tried 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. It's very clear. The problem happens when you focus too much on a single candle. But looking to structure in general, 30 seconds works. Interesting, Knight. That's very interesting. Okay. And Sunday before Monday is risky, and Sunday normally does consolidates. Good practice to previous Friday liquidity rather than Sundays. So if since I hear you, it's just for me right now it is Monday. It is already Monday for me, but I hear you. It needs to close below those bull candles. Yeah, let's see, Mackenzie. Like I said, if it's a loss, it is what it is. I can also hit top of the range before coming down. 11:50 to 12:10. This is when the move is going to occur. Ah, so like in a minute. Okay, Mackenzie, let's see. We got a minute. Oh, not Mackenzie, sorry. Sense, if sense. Check that in. Candle, what is going to change into buy there? Make a huge run lower. Thanks, Celestial. Like I said, it's always super entertaining when there's like almost a 50-50 split on who thinks what's going to happen. Have I been profitable? Eli? So last week was a green week, so that was awesome. I'm not here to lie and say I'm a profitable trader yet, though. I'm not a profitable trader yet. But slowly but surely getting there. Slowly but surely. It's definitely a journey. Yeah, definitely a journey. The structure looks not good, like consolidation with both sides taken out type thing. Ooh, if sense. Okay. Well, so basically just it's consolidating. Like I said, 1-to-1, if it hits there, then I'm good to move my risk to halfway. And then I'm only mitigating half, or risking half my amount. Does this count? I feel like it counts. Maybe it doesn't count. Rules are rules. Rules are rules. Stick to your rules. Stick to your rules. So night. In the next hour, we have chance to drop to the 210 area and even lower. Are you serious? At least you're a real trader. Oh, thank you. I think. Have you been watching Not Real Traders? Okay, let's move to the buy live. Can't see the candles on the. Oh, sorry, Mackenzie. Sorry. Exactly. We have chance to drop to 210 area. I'm exactly in the same stage. What Maya just mentioned. Ah, Aaron. Well, welcome. Welcome to the journey. It's definitely a journey, for lack of better words. Now I'm just hands off, right? I'm 15 to 30 second chart, but only in specific scenarios. Key levels to break. 15 to 30, start trading like a regular 1 minute chart. Interesting. Hey Mackenzie, welcome. How's it going? Gonna create structure for the rest of the day. Ooh. Okay. Hey Ethan, what's up? How you doing? I hope everyone's doing good today. This could potentially wreck me, or it could be a win, but either way, we're in this. Aaron, it's difficult, but it's worth it. That's exactly right. That is it. You just have to carry on. Ditto, what up? Hi, are you good? You took a buy again, scale trading. Okay, nice. Ricky, Mackenzie. It should reject here. Ethan, not a whole lot. Why? Stopped out in some profit, crappy trade. But green is green. Hey, Geordie. Yeah. Green is green, right? Ethan, you had a ridiculously lazy day today. Why? Ethan, what did you end up doing? Or did you do, like, absolutely nothing? That's also not bad. Not bad to sometimes just do absolutely nothing. I'm a different type of woman. Really? Why? Oh, cheers, Geordie. Enjoy. You told me about trading. My friend introduced me to trading, so, you know, here I am. I want to trade the trade, opening and evening. Hourly candles align their targets with hourly aiming 100+ point trades. Damn, not 100+ point trades. That's insane. But I mean, good for them. Wow. Like I said, maybe one day when I'm big, I can start aiming for things like that. I'm not big yet. But maybe one day when I'm big, but sure. Oh, thank you. Compared to volatility right now, if the move doesn't occur before your 12-10 time, it's better to stop. Sense that, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, well, either way, it's hit my 1-to-1, so I can move this to midpoint. So now I've mitigated my risk by half, which is cool. Friend who told you about trading, is he ruined or just normal friend who bring up trading? I mean, they're a successful trader, if that helps. And they taught me like the basics and things. And then the rest I've learned basically from you guys, which is amazing. Amazing. And, you know, the fact that it's such a loving community. Weird. Don't get me wrong. You guys are so weird. And I absolutely love it. It makes me feel like I can be my weird little self as well, and you guys will definitely judge me, but still stick around for the love and support, so that's fine. Judge away. 250 is the last area to hold for bullish bias. Okay, well, let's we have lost momentum, but you reckon close like 3 micros at TP and hold 2? 2? You think so? I don't know. Let's see, I don't even have the world of time on my side. Let's see, where we at? Let's see, Knight. Let's see, at this point I might just have to close it in a bit of profit. Oh, maybe we're going back up. Nope, maybe we're not. Point is, we're in this. I mean, reasonable manage motions better than in current. Really? I've never heard that. I've always heard that. Again, this is just being generalizing, but whatever. Women are more emotional and men tend to be more logical. But I guess then sometimes theoretically you could maybe argue we're more aware of the emotions. I guess there's arguments for everything. And with your milk and coffee, then everybody jumps down your throat, haters. Oh, do you know what? One day I'll do it. I'll do it just so that you don't feel alone, and then they can yell at me too. Okay, how does that sound? Does that make you feel a little bit better? Hey, Steven! How you doing? How are you? I feel what? Yeah, I'm taking a break from you too. I just found a pro lying on the couch all day resting for boxing tomorrow. Ooh, Ethan, like, are you doing a boxing competition or just boxing training? Like for exercise? Or do you actually compete in boxing? What's your thing? I'm weird and proud. How else would I be? Yeah, I guess. Meaning is better with emotions than a guy who thinks in that type of way, I guess. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Then are easily played by their egos, and then revenge trading starts. Ooh. RNC. I didn't really think of that. I didn't think about that one. That's actually, yeah, interesting. But then is it that we're better with our emotions, we're better with our risk management, and we go, okay, that was a bad idea. Let's maybe not do that. Suppose it was in this area, and if they're not going to push high into the gap and then flip, meaning you would be out, break even. And then trade runs. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, Knight. So I'm not at break even. I've mitigated my risk by half though, but I'm not at break even. So then maybe it stops me out a little bit there. Hey! Girl? Yeah? How's it going? So just training. Okay. Anyways. I think that last message quite mean too. I meant to say more to just training. Okay, got it. But that's cool though. I used to just do kickboxing for the purpose of training. Literally. I was like, yeah. Kickboxing is fun and keeps you fit. Good for the bones, right? Especially as a girl, gotta keep your bones strong. Yes. Yes, they are. Hey, Paul, what's up? Oh, to be in this range is so much fun right now. Damn, oh well. Did I speak too soon? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm sorry. I clearly offended it a little bit. Oh, my bad. What? Okay. Well, pointers were still there, so that's cool. A little bit volatile now. That's great. Hey, Cry Solid TV, what's up? How to defend you. Ethan, are you good? Are you okay where you live, by the way? Hey, Victor, what's up? How you doing? How's everyone doing? Ah, thank you, Chrysler TV. Eli, maybe I didn't. I'm sorry if I didn't. Is it news now? Oh, damn. That makes sense. Huh. Don't really like trading when there's news, but I guess here we are. And I'm raising quick move and then flips. Yep. And then the void gap acts like a support. A strong sell candle, which I just did as I write this. It's not quite at the break-even level yet. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did. I really, really did. Whoop, okay, now it's at break-even. My bad. My B. My bad. Okay, either way. Break-even now, that's cool. Answer this at some point, but what is the tab on your arm? Can you show it on the camera? Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can see very well. Sorry about that. But it's a snail. Has little mushrooms growing up. And around it is peach blossoms. So it's mostly to do with my mother, with the snail and the mushrooms. Yeah, in Uruguay, she's now, I don't know, living her best life. But yeah, and the peach flower is basically where I grew up. Every morning I would open my window, and obviously in the spring there would just be peach blossoms. So the peach blossoms just reminded me of a younger time in life, if you will. No, go back down, please. You were doing so well. Okay, well, either way it's break even, so let's wait and see. Eli, am I? How? This Monday sell off on as. Let's wait and see. Harry Potter? Hi, how are you doing? Love Harry Potter, sorry. Complete Harry Potter nerd right here, so. Super chuffed to see that. Oh, maybe this is gonna take me out break even, and then it's just a break even day today, and that is what it is. Victor, my setup. So I have a very, very sweet and simple strategy. Super sweet and simple. Top of the range to bottom of the range. 50% of the range is entry, and 2 are down. So here I'll move it now to my TP is. 1 to 2 are strategy, 2 are down is take profit. Obviously there's more that goes into it, like your confluences, so you need some confirmation that it's going in this direction. And voila. There's your trade. Eli, you think it's gonna go down? Advice is to look at orange to red news. You can't get something snail related with the fibs and the spiral of the shot. Ooh, RP, that's cool. Hey Robert, what's up? How's it going? I get hit break even, it's gonna drop much lower. Yeah, let's see, Knight. I do have 1 as a runner, so I do have 1 as a runner. So now, yeah, we're gonna just go with it. This feeling of relax at break even is just amazing. Happy for you. Oh, thank you, Heron. Well, I try and stay relaxed throughout. Try, being the keyword. I really am trying to not allow emotions to have any part in this. Obviously a whole lot easier said than done for a lot of the times, but I do. Oh my gosh, can we just acknowledge how poopy my hair is? You should have seen this disaster yesterday. Living by the coast where it's humid with this is absolute chaos. Really? Let's see, I got the live count going. Oh damn, guys, shit. It's going. Oh, we're still in this range. Damn, this is a very long trade, but it's fine. We're here for it. Oh, thank you, Aaron. That's very sweet. We are going to boxing. Both has its benefits, its downsides. One of the Johnson, my friend. Ask for a fist bump. Stop loss should be middle to above the order block. Well, Mackenzie, it's just at break even now. So we sits and we waits. And let's see what it wants to do. Part of me is contemplating, that's not English, but anyways. Contemplating moving it down slightly, but I think I'll be more upset if it took me out and then had a proper drop than if I just stuck with where I am at break even and it took me out there. Using the structure one. That means using the last highs that makes a new low. So I mean, yeah, that's what I was considering, moving it down here. I don't know if I just bother doing that yet. Do I bother doing that yet? Thoughts? Yes, no, maybe? Ivar, you think it's going up? No, don't say that, Ivar. Damn, Ivar, look what you've done. Ivar, you may have screwed me now. Ivar, you know the charts love you. Why didn't you just speak sweet nothings to it and ask it to go a little bit further down? What is this? Ivar's here, coming in, macing up my trade. Honestly, we all know the markets are scared of you. Yeah, honestly. Honestly, Ivar. You had one job. Level at night. I should probably go to bed for boxing in the morning. I mean, that's not the worst idea. Maybe not be exhausted for that tomorrow. Cheer for the one. You gotta hold the rest of it, just break even as you have roll. Oh, yes. Yeah. Night. Got it. Yeah. That's what I tend to do. I usually go with the swings. We have a Viking among us. Great. What languages do I speak? Merc, literally English, and I can speak a little bit of Afrikaans, but that's it, sorry. I'm really bad with, yeah, with that. We'll be fine. So go for a contract or two, lock in a little bit. I'm just gonna say a quick hello. Hey, Fulcus, how's it going? Crazy drops incoming. I hope so, Knight. Let's wait and see. Like, this is killing me. Are you guys gonna watch the trade for me quickly? No, but I don't want to leave. But my dog is bugging me. I can see him looking at me. Are you guys gonna watch my trade? I'm gonna have to be as quick as humanly possible. Either way, it's break even. You guys better, like, scream that I can hear you from wherever you are overseas. That I can hear if something happens. Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna come back and it's gonna be break even and I'm gonna be pissed, but... I didn't miss anything. Awesome. I got really nervous there for a second. I was like, no. Okay, we're back. We're back. I called Trump. He said we'd bleed. I missed the... Okay. Nothing for me today. Sorry, focus. I tend to sleep an hour later than I tried going to bed because of my... I get that. I get that, Ethan. Believe me. As you can see, my brain also tends to go a little bit too insane sometimes. It's a problem. I drop it like it's hot. Oh, Knight, you're so funny. Damn, my horses are just gonna have to have a little bit less time with me today. It is what it is. Oh, Merc, that's so mean! Wow! Guys, make sure you take something off always. Hey, Zeus, how's it going? Even if it wants to reverse. It's gonna drop and take out TP at least, even if it wants to reverse. Okay, Knight. Well. Let's see, right? Oh my gosh. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Merc, I'm gonna blame you for this one. I'm just saying. Everyone, this is Merc's fault. Everyone, shame. Shame on Merc. Man, I got off a pending CV. I should be working on it. Watching you making big trades. Hey, Ivar. That's good though. Whoop whoop for you. That is super exciting. Merc, I'm gonna blame you for this one. I'm just saying. Putting it out there. This is Merc's fault. What the heck, man? As a response to Mackenzie, take something off always about that. I've done the math on that one. It's not always worth it, in all honesty. I've done the math. I've done it where I've taken, like, at midpoint, so this was 5 contracts. Let's say I would take 2 off at midpoint and then let the rest go until TP. And in the end, the math doesn't work out. It makes more sense for me to just leave the full contract and wait for potential TP or not than it does to go the other way. It is what it is. Nah, that's exactly it, Knight. I'm still in this somehow. Nope, there we go. Now I'm out. Ah, either way, I'm up $40. That was rather rude today. Oh well. It was a decent entry and it was so close. Let's do a little break even. If this goes down now, with Merc. Merc, I'm gonna snack you. No, I'm joking. That's mean, but if it does go down now. Did Mackenzie leave you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Today we are free. We are free. Oh, am I free? Trade done. Nothing lost. Next trade's still better than me. Hit my stop and the trade works out. Yeah, no, that's true. Hey, Daytrading, how's it going? I mean, the fact that we had some decent push now, maybe it's gonna stop. Who knows? Daytrading, listen, I've had 2 break-evens today. Here, so close to TP. And here, but it is what it is, right? Break-even is break-even. It's better than... David, that's valid. I think going down now. Yep. Watch. I'll just be like, really? Really? Was that necessary? Was it really necessary? It's fine. Okay. Now that I am completely overtime a little bit, I'm gonna call it. Let me go to the horses. I will then be back. I will be back for the New York session. Let's see, maybe we can get some wins in. That was interesting. That was very, very interesting. You little Bluxum, seriously. Did Merc run away? Is Merc now scared of me? Merc, come back. Ivar, you think it's going up? No! I don't know who to yell at. It's either Merc or Ivar. Ivar, maybe it's your fault. You should have said just go down a little bit more. The market really listens to you. It's really annoying. I had that same long trade idea. Ah, Day 14. Okay, cool. So we're both in that same spot, but that's fine. Put a buy on the lowest fair value gap and put my stop and put me on and watch. Okay, Mackenzie. Eli, exactly. No, 100%, guys. 100%. I'm not upset with today's trading day. Like, obviously a little bit frustrating watching this now. But didn't have losses, had 2 break-evens, and I took the trades, right? That was, I even said, beginning of the stream, I said the main goal for me today is to work on the confidence. You son of a biscuit. Anyways. Can't believe it did that. That was the audacity. Just the complete audacity. Okay, let me go to the horses. I can't watch this. Nico, what? Yeah, night. This was ridiculous. Anyways, it's fine. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for the New York Open. David, 100%. I'm on Silverware. Hey, Moon Trade. Thanks. It is what it is. I love you guys madly. Thanks for joining. Like I said, that was very entertaining. Why? Yips. But no, not with gold on the Nasdaq futures. Okay, let me call it there, else we're gonna end up having lots and lots of conversations about this. I love you guys madly. I'm gonna call it there for today. Thanks for watching and the support. Oh, thanks, David. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And there goes TP, you little mother fluffer. Anyways, moving on. That was ridiculous. It's fine. I'll be back for the New York session. Let's see what New York has to bring. I love you guys madly. Thank you for thanks for joining. Please don't forget to like the stream. And if you guys want to show some extra love, in the description below is basically never mind, everything good? Okay. Description below are all the prop firms. If you want to use my affiliate code, which is Tietmeyer, to get some extra discounts, let's go for it. I love you guys madly. I'll see you later for the New York Open. Have an amazing day / night / evening, wherever you are. I will see you guys then later. I love you guys madly. Bye.